my name is Michaela and you're watching FunsizedStyle. For today's video, I'm finally getting back on my Sweet Sparkle Beauty Box unboxing videos, and this is still 2019 Sweet Sparkle Beauty Boxes. I took a hiatus from my hiatus of these Sweet Sparkle Beauty Boxes because, I don't know, I just had a bunch of other videos, and with Christmas, you guys, I was really on the Christmas video kick this year. I did like 5 or 6 Christmas related videos. I guess I just had a lot of Christmas content to create for you guys. So that delayed it a lot too, and I wasn't even able to film that much during my fall semester. So I've just been behind on these, but I love them so much. I still want to film them and finish them and things like that. So if you're unfamiliar with Sweet Sparkle Beauty Box, it is a monthly beauty subscription service that is $21 per month, and they have free worldwide shipping, and the price changes based on the payment plan. So if you want it every month but you don't want to commit to the annual plan, you can do that too, but the price does go up. And then they have a 3-month plan and a 6-month plan, so you can cancel at any time. This video is not sponsored by Sweet Sparkle. I just really enjoy this service, and you guys know I've been doing videos for quite some time now. I love it because it's not only is it a beauty subscription service, but they give you products around a certain theme. I'll give you guys a little sneak peek. This box is Spring Fever. That's the theme of this box, so they'll create products for me to be able to create a Spring Fever makeup tutorial, and that will be the next video that you see after this video. So even though this individual box is no longer available, I will link all of the items individually down below, and I also put Sweet Sparkle Beauty Box website link down below if you're interested in subscribing to this box. Again, they have free worldwide shipping. So I have a ton of these videos on my channel. I have them also in individual playlists, so if you want to get more information about this box or see previous boxes to see if it's something you'd be interested in signing up for, you can go ahead and check those out. For me, again, it's the fact that it's created around an entire makeup look. A lot of subscription boxes are just random products, but this has a certain theme, and it also gives me the opportunity to create more makeup looks for you guys, aka more content. So that's what I like about it for me. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this box. And again, even though this box is no longer available, the Spring Fever box, I will have all the individual products linked down below if you're interested in creating this tutorial along with me in the next video. Alright, so here is the box, so let's go ahead and see what we have in this one. So when I open it up, this is what I see. It comes with a card with the product, the brand, and the price. So yeah, we'll go ahead and refer to that as needed, but more importantly, let's check out the products that were included in this box. So the first product that I pull out of my box is by a brand I've never heard of, and it's called Luna by Luna, and it's an eyeshadow in the shade Plum. This color is gorgeous, so I'll go ahead and swatch it for you guys. I really like this color because it's not too much of a purple. It's almost like a purple pink. It's definitely more wearable because you guys know I don't wear color a ton, but like I said, I love that it's so wearable. It just seems like a more natural color and a bit more neutral, even though it does have a tint of color in it. So let's go ahead and swatch this. I have no idea if you guys can even see this. It's very light. I tried to build it up as much as possible, but again, it was just really difficult. It's a very smooth shadow. It's just such a light, natural color that there's just not a lot of like pigment. I mean, see, I don't even know how to describe this. It's pigmented, but it's just, I think it will look better on the eyes than it does with a swatch, but I'll try to find a better swatch with a photo or something. But this is still a very beautiful color, and this is something that I will get a lot of use out of. Once I saw that this shadow was in the shade Plum, I was a bit nervous because I thought I wasn't going to get a lot of use out of it other than this tutorial, and I'm really excited to have a shadow like this because I think it's just really unique. This eyeshadow retails for $15. The next product looks like a blush. Yes, so this is a blush by the brand Manna Kadar. I have heard of this brand many times, and I have several of their products. Honestly, there really isn't much to say about this blush. It just looks like your average blush color. And like I said, I have heard of the brand Mascara. I have many of their products and they're very high quality. But let's go ahead and swatch this blush. This blush color is absolutely gorgeous, and it is the perfect blush color for a spring fever makeup tutorial. So I'm so excited to try this out. And I do have a couple of blushes from Mascara, and they're really great quality. So this one also seems very, very smooth. Yeah, I'm excited to put it to the test. The next product in this box is by e.l.f. Cosmetics, and this is a mascara. This is the Volumizing and Defining Mascara in Jet Black. e.l.f. is one brand that I really need to get back into using again, because I just feel like I have not used any of their products in so long. So I really need to get back into using products because they're so affordable. Some of their products are really, really great. So I need to get back into e.l.f. So this product will help me do just that. This mascara retails for $3. The next product in this box is by Kawkawlin Cosmetics, and this is a clear brow gel. This is actually called a brow mascara, and it's a tinted eyebrow gel, but it says it's in the shade clear, so I don't know why they don't just say it's a clear brow gel. I know they have different shades of this, but I feel like it should be like its own category. I don't know. So here is what the product looks like. Like I said, it's just a clear brow gel. These are so great though for keeping your brows in place, and you honestly use these kind of products up very quickly, so you really can't go wrong with receiving one of these in a subscription box. Like I said, you use them up so quick. So these are so great, and I'm excited to give this one a try. I've actually tried quite a few clear brow gels from a lot of different brands, so I'm excited to see how this one compares to others I've tried. This brow mascara retails for $7. The last product that I received in my Spring Fever Sweet Sparkle Beauty Box is by the brand e.l.f. Beauty. It looks like it's a gloss, but it could be a liquid lipstick, so let me check the card. So this is called the Peanut Gloss, and the brow mascara and the eyeshadow both have like little descriptions about the product, but this one does not. It's just the Peanut Gloss. Do you guys see this applicator? I hate these kind of applicators with a passion. I did not even know that these still existed, to be honest. Oh, I hate that. I hate the applicator. Oh my gosh, I do not like that applicator. Can you tell? So I'll probably just use this lip product in the tutorial to say that I used it, and then if the product is really good, I'll use it, but I did not know these applicators still existed. It's really, really hard to show you guys up close. I'll see if I can insert a picture, but yeah, you can see it's like, it separates. Like, I hate these. Ugh. Alright, well, hopefully the color is pretty. So here is what the swatch looks like. It's very pretty. Like, the color is really, really nice. But the more you swatch it, the more that applicator separates, which is so annoying. I'm surprised that they actually included a vibrant red lipstick or gloss in a Spring Fever box, because I don't know, I just feel like you would see like more like a pink mauve color. It's still a really pretty color, and I'll be excited to put it to the test in the tutorial just to see how it looks. So that is everything that I received in my Spring Fever Sweet Sparkle Beauty Box. I honestly really enjoyed this box because there's not a product in here that I won't use. I will use really everything, so I'm very excited about that, and I'm excited to create this Spring Fever makeup tutorial for you guys, and I hope you guys are excited to see it. I forgot to mention in the intro that all of the products that you receive in a Sweet Sparkle Beauty Box are full size, so there are no deluxe size samples or samples. It is all full size, so that is really great too. Guess that's it. I'm so glad to be back doing these Sweet Sparkle Beauty Box unboxings, and I'll catch you guys next time. Bye!